magsusulat ng answer sheet number. And in this IAS, before letting the examinee affix her or a signature in the IAS, make sure or you ask them, tama ba ang entries na nakasulat sa IAS? The spelling of the name, the birthday, and the birthdays. Pag tama, that's the time that the examiner will affix her or her signature under the signature column. At kung meron ng correction, i-correct na yung examiner under the remarks column. Hindi ho tayo ang mag-correct kundi si examiner. Ngayon, there are instances na nag-request ng correction ng examiner if they pass the exam, but then they have to pay 760 pesos for correction. And then, yung original certificate of eligibility nila isusurrender po sa amin. So, we will issue another certification na po siya. Hindi na po siya certificate. Certification of eligibility bearing the correct entries na doon sa kanyang certification. So, hindi na siya original.